Megan. Zoe, what did you think of Megan's performance?
I absolutely loved that. I loved how you changed the perspective of the song. So like it's originally coming from the boys' point of view, innit? Yeah, and you changed it from like, yeah, I loved that. And you did like a little riff on the word made after you did like that belty bit and like you riffed the word made and you like brought it back down after that belt. I thought that was lush. And your timing this week was so much. I can tell you went home last week and was like proper working on your timing and that, so well done, like honestly well done, the timing was spot on. And the only thing I can say is just be a bit more careful on your pronunciation of some of the words, like the start, make sure you're proper pronouncing the start and the finish, like the first and the last letters of the words, do you know what I mean? Yeah, like make sure you're proper pronunciating, like, do you know what I mean? And your range is phenomenal, I love your range, amazing performance, well done.
Louise?
Yeah, Megan, you've got a lovely, lovely range and so much power behind you as well. Those top notes were really, really lovely. There were some issues in there. I wouldn't have guessed you had a timing issue previously though, because the timing was brilliant for that song. You did really, really well timing. I'd say go away this week and really work on those riffs, because the changes that you did make, adding in these riffs and things, were lovely changes, but they were just a bit messy. They just weren't quite hearing every note in it, if that makes sense. It was more like a kind of a slur rather than a riff. But the idea behind it and where you were going with it was really lovely. So keep making those changes, but just really concentrate as you're practicing. Go over them, make sure they're nice and clean. But yes, I did enjoy the changes, lyrically and melodically as well. Both of the changes were really lovely. And yeah, it was a lovely, lovely performance. Nice song choice for you. Well done, darling.
Megan, yeah, first of all, I want to start by saying I generally think this is even better, right? This is the best I've seen of you. I believe that. One, your timing was bang on, all right? Which is like literally the first time I've seen your timing bang on from the get-go to the end. So that is the first thing. Give yourself credit. Your timing was bang on. Last week I picked up on saying, you know, don't feel like you've got to do too much with the songs in terms of runs and that, because that isn't one of your strongest techniques. I believe your power and your bottom range, the straight notes, that is where your strengths are. So these runs and that you're trying to put in, where Louise picked up, they're not 100% perfect. I believe it's something that you may develop in time, but right now it's not perfect. And like I said, this is a training process, and we want you to learn these things and learn new things like that. But at the same time, remember you're in a competition and you've got to be coming out bang on. So anything like that isn't one of your best traits that you got, I wouldn't even risk it. Not at this point in the competition anyway. But so you definitely simplified it. Like from last week, you didn't do as much over the top as this week, so it was better. But keep remembering, simple. I think that is the case with you as a singer. Simple is gonna allow you to show off more of what you're capable of, right? So don't feel like you gotta add too much in. Not right now, but it may be in time. But right now, just come up and show us those beautiful, clean notes that you are capable of, right? Other than that, best performance so far this season. That's what you've got to remember. You're on and up, all right? And your timing was bang on, and I really enjoyed the choice. So well done, Chew. Round of applause for Megan, guys. Well done.